Hi friends, welcome to SSCG Electrical. In this video I am going to discuss about important multiple choice questions for SSCG Electrical and other competitive exams like Junior Engineering exam, Assistant Engineering exam, PSU exams, GATE and IAS exams. In the previous video I have explained up to 25 questions. 1 to 25 questions I have explained. In this video I will discuss 26 to 30 questions only. Okay. Small video, please watch completely. Current topic is DC generator. The material for commutator brushes is generally which one? Mica, copper, cast iron, carbon. Which is the correct answer? If you know the answer, just answer in comments. The material used for commutator brushes. The correct answer is carbon. So generally for brushes, what we use? We use carbon or graphite. Generally brushes are made up of carbon or graphite. So in case of low voltage and high current applications, we use the copper. Just remember that one also. The main reason for using carbon brushes is to reduce the wear and tear of commutator. Commutator. Important point. Okay. Practically how the brushes will be appears to be. Okay. How practically it appears to be. See here. Brushes practically appears to be like this. Brushes. So what is use of brushes? Brushes mainly used for to collect the current due to induced EMF from armature coils in a DC generator. Okay, it collects the current. Due to induced EMF from a armature coils in DC generator. Okay, hope you understood. Next question. The insulating material used between commutator segment is normally graphite, copper, mica, insulating varnish. The correct answer is mica. The insulating material used between commutator segment is which one? Mica. In practical how it appears to be, see how the commutator segment appears and where it will be placed. See here. In practically you can see this is the commutator. In this mica sheets, a small gap is there. Small gap is there. In this gap they will use the mica sheets, mica insulation sheets they will use. Okay. So practically you can see where the mica sheets is being placed. It is used for insulation. Okay. So insulating material used for between commutator segment is mica. Insulating material used for between commutator segments is mica. Next question. In DC generators, the brushes on commutator remain in contact with conductors. In DC generator, brushes on commutator remain in contact with conductors which lie under south pole, which lie under north pole, which lie under interpole region or farther from the poles. The correct answer is it will lie under interpole region. C is the correct answer. So interpole region you can observe in DC generator. This is the interpoles. These are the interpoles. Okay. So it will be appear between the poles. These are the interpoles. In the interpole region, the brushes will be in contact with the conductors there. So in DC generator, brushes on commutator remain in contact with the conductors which lie under interpole region. Okay. Next question. If brushes of DC generator moved in order to bring these brushes in magnetic neutral axis. If brushes of DC generator are moved in order to bring these brushes in magnetic neutral axis, there will be demagnetization only, cross magnetization as well as magnetization, cross magnetization as well as demagnetization, cross magnetization. The correct answer is cross magnetization and demagnetization. So practically it appears to be like practically you can see. So demagnetization, cross magnetization occurs. So if the brushes are moved in magnetic neutral axis, then what happens? Cross magnetization as well as demagnetization occurs. Hope you understood. Next one. Armature reaction of unsaturated DC machine is, armature reaction of unsaturated DC machine is cross magnetization, demagnetization, magnetizing, none of this. Which is the correct answer? Please answer in comments. This question just answer in comments, okay? Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.